Hello children, I hope you all are doing good. How are you all today? Are you all fine? Yes? Okay, so come on now, let's start with our studies. The first thing, what do? You all remember? We do the revision of rhymes. The first rhyme, pitter patter pit pat. So come on, we will start. Pitter patter pit pat, here comes the rain. Pitter patter pit pat, we'll go out again. Put on your rain shoes, put on your hat, find your umbrella, don't forget that. Put on your raincoat, button it so. Pitter patter pit pat, now let's go. Very good. Okay children, so now one last time. Okay, come on. Pitter patter pit pat, here comes the rain. Pitter patter pit pat, we'll go out again. Put on your rain shoes and put on your hat. Find your umbrella, don't forget that. Put on your raincoat and button it so. Pitter patter pit pat, now let's go. Okay children, I hope you all are enjoying the rhymes. Yes? Now come on, we'll move on to our next rhyme, which is Froggy. We will sing along. Froggy, froggy, come out to play, for it is a rainy day. Big and lovely, mushrooms near, Froggy has his dinner here. Froggy, froggy, goes to school and sits on his mushroom stool. In the sky, the clouds are grey, for it is a rainy day. Very good children. Now clap your hands. Now we all will sing together. Froggy, froggy, come out to play, for it is a rainy day. Big and lovely mushrooms near, Froggy has his dinner here. Froggy, froggy, goes to school and sits on his mushroom stool. In the sky the clouds are grey, for it is a rainy day. One more time. Come on, we all will sing together. Froggy, froggy, come out to play, for it is a rainy day. Big and lovely mushrooms near, Froggy has his dinner here. Froggy, froggy, goes to school and sits on his mushroom stool. In the sky the clouds are grey, for it is a rainy day. Okay children, so now let's move on to our next topic, which is wild animals. Do you all remember who are wild animals? They live in the jungle. And can you touch them? Can you touch them? No. And we see them in the zoo also, right? So come on, we will first revise the wild animals and then we'll move on to the new wild animals. Lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Lion jungle ka raja hai and he roars very loudly. Lion. Come on, say it teacher. Lion. One more time. Lion. Now the next animal for today, which is tiger. You all know tiger is our national animal. It has black stripes on its body. Come on children, say with teacher. Tiger. Come on. Tiger. The tiger lives in the cave and lion lives in a den. Okay, so tiger. Come on, say with teacher. Tiger. Now we'll move on to our next animal. But before moving on, I will introduce some things. It has a very long nose and that nose is called the trunk and it is very big. Do you all know which animal it is? It is elephant. It eats banana also. Come on, say with teacher. Elephant. Elephant lives in a jungle. Come on, say with teacher. Elephant. One more time. Elephant. Okay, children. So now the next animal, which is deer. Look here. It has spots on its body and it looks very beautiful. And do you all know deer likes to eat berries and twigs. What do you mean by twigs? It is branches. Trees में जो branches होती है ना, वो टूट के गिर जाती है तो उसे twigs बोलते हैं. Okay? And deer has horn on its head and it is called antlers. Come on, say with teacher. Deer. Very good. One more time. Deer. Very good. And children, do you all know when lion comes to eat him, it runs very fast and it saves its life. So come on, we will say deer. Very good. One more time. Repeat. Deer. Very good. Now the next animal for today is giraffe, and it has a long neck and also long legs, and it is the tallest land animal. Giraffe is the tallest land animal. Tallest means सबसे लंबा animal है giraffe land animals में. Okay, so giraffe, and it is very tall. It has patterns also on its body and it eats leaves from the tall trees. Now come on, we will repeat. Giraffe. Very good. One more time. Giraffe. Very good, children. I hope you are repeating with teacher. Giraffe. Now, the next animal is huge and it likes to eat fishes. So, the name of the animal is bear and it's huge, right? So, bear likes to eat fishes and berries also, nuts also and fruits also. Okay, and it is a wild animal. Okay, children, so now we learn it. Bear. Very good. Repeat with teacher. Bear. One more time. Bear. Very good, children. Now we'll move on to our next topic for today. So today we are going to learn something new, and it is phonics. What is phonics? Do you all know? I will tell you all. Okay, children. So can you all hear some sound? What sound is it? Oh, it's a drum. Yes, the sound of drum. Yeah. Okay, now again, can you all hear some sound? What is it? It's a bell. Yes, it's a bell. So children, जैसे ही ड्रम का आवाज है, बेल का आवाज है और टेलीफोन का आवाज होता है, वैसे ही अल्फाबेट्स की भी आवाज है. Do you all know? And वो आवाज को हम बोलते हैं phonic sounds. So today we will learn the phonic sounds. Okay, so the first alphabet is A. Very good. We will learn the phonic sound of A. A says A. A. Apple. A says A. Aeroplane. Okay, children, are you all saying with teacher? Come on. A says A. Apple. A says A. Aeroplane. One more time, we all will say together. Okay. A says A. Apple. A says A. Aeroplane. Very good. Now the next alphabet, what comes after A? B. Now we learn the phonic sound of B. B says B. Ball. B says B. Bat. Okay, come on, we will say together. B says B. Ball. B says B. bat. Okay children, we'll repeat with teacher now. B says ball. B says bat. Very good. Now after A what comes? B. After B what comes? C. So now we will learn the phonic sound of C. Okay? C says cat. C says car. Okay? Come on, one more time. C says cat. C says car. One more time. Very good. C says cat. C says car. Very good children. Now what comes after A? B. And what comes after B? C. What comes after C? D. So now we are going to learn the phonic sound of D. Okay? D says dog. D says doll. Very good. One more time. D says dog. D says doll. One more time. D says dog. D says doll. Very good children. I'll tell your mama to give you a star today. Okay? Now is it time for us to say bye? I don't think so. It's time for us to do the revision. So come on, we will revise now. Okay children, so now we'll do the revision. Do you all remember what we learned first? Wild animals. Yes. So the first wild animal, deer. Repeat with teacher. Deer. Very good. One more time. Deer. Now the next wild animal, it's the tallest land animal. Giraffe. Very good. One more time. Giraffe. Come on, repeat with teacher. Giraffe. Very good. Now the next one. Bear. Come on, repeat. Bear. One more time. Bear. Now we will revise the phonic sound. So A says apple. A says aeroplane. I hope you are saying with teacher. Yes. Now the next alphabet, B. B says ball. B says bat. Now the next one, what comes after A? B. What comes after B? C. So now we'll revise. C says cat. C says car. Very good. Now what comes after C? D. D says dog. D says doll. Very good children. Clap your hands. Now it's time for us to say bye and take care of your family and yourself and do the revision at home. Bye.